Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a voice and video calls on WhatsApp using your PC or Mac. Quick, easy, and free. Let's get started. First, go to the official WhatsApp website, the whatsapp.com, and download the Windows or Mac version and install it. Then the voice and the video calls are only supported on a desktop app, not your browser version, and link your phone. Open the WhatsApp on your phone and tap the three dots to link devices. Tap a device, then scan a QR code shown on your PC or Mac screen. And now you're connected. Then here you can now start a voice or video call. Inside your WhatsApp desktop, click any chats and tap the phone icon or camera icon, and your call will begin instantly. And make sure your phone or your microphone and webcam are working. You can use a headphones for better audio quality and works for one-on-one calls only. And that's it. Now you can easily stay connected with friends, family, or clients right from your computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in comments. Thanks for watching.